Got some vegetable stir fry. A very impatient animal. Here we go. Gotta get that turmeric in, children. Look at your mouth is stained. Jesus, stop. Oh my God. Y'all. Y'all. Nom noms. You don't really like it? Okay. Look at your little yellow lips. Okay. The violence over some broccoli. I'm glad you like the stir fry. Chew it. Don't just shove it in your mouth. You also gotta chew it. Stop being mean. Okay. You just want to eat out of the bucket. You like the bucket. Wasteful. There's potato in there. Oh my God. We certainly are very impatient children. Look at your little yellow stained lips. That's my hand. Okay. Sharks.